this is a watch that I'm going to review and I'm sending it back, so I'm not keeping it. And this is just the unboxing in case I decide to put it in the review. So I'm going to start opening. There goes. Okay, now. Well, here is a box, well protected. Slowly taking out of the box. It's pretty tight, so that is kind of the perfect box because it doesn't fit anything else in here. Here is the brand. This is a Canadian brand. And let's see, I have to be careful with this. Oh, that's a surprise. That's a metal box. I had no idea. Oh, that's good looking. Oh, very nice metal box. Here with the name Lacite. There's a French name. I can't remember the meaning right now. Okay, and here is the watch. Already running with an additional leather, Italian leather. Oh, really looks good. Very supple. I like the color. Very nice. Okay. And this is the watch, which is the black version. It has it's a nylon, thick nylon, I think it is nylon strap. All black. I can see, okay, I don't know if it is focusing, okay, there it goes. Nice legible dial. Okay, I'm going to try to use another focus mode. Now let's go target. There it goes. Okay. Now I have it on. I think it really looks good. I'm not used to full black watches, but yeah, it looks interesting. Big numerals, clear hands, and blue accents. Okay, I will make the review. Well, I'll be wearing the watch for a few days to make my mind about it. What is to use it, how it looks, and everything. So I'm going to be like, I would say like 1 week wearing it to have a full experience of the watch. Then I will make the review about it. And I'll be with you soon with more information about this automatic GMT watch from Lacite. Thank you very much. There it goes.